In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn off Siri when your phone is locked. Many people find it annoying when Siri activates unintentionally on a locked phone. By following a few simple steps, you can prevent this from happening. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, and then scroll down until you see an option called Siri and search. Tap on it. Once you are on this page, you'll see an option called Allow Siri when locked, which is enabled. To turn off Siri when your phone is locked, simply toggle off this switch. By disabling Siri when your phone is locked, you can have peace of mind knowing that your personal assistant won't be accidentally triggered while your phone is not in use. This quick and easy solution can help protect your privacy and prevent any unwanted interactions with Siri when you least expect it. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.